Hi, I'm Jerry Michalak, professional shooter for Team Smith & Wesson, and I'd like to show you the new Smith & Wesson M&P15T rifle. Some of the features of this rifle, it comes with a 6-position adjustable buttstock. Forward of that, it has the mag pull, M-bus flip-up side assemblies, both front and rear. Going down from there, it comes with the integral forged trigger guard. The handguard assembly is a 13-inch free-floating M&P Slim handguard with M-lock capability. It ships with a 2-inch section of M-lock rail, so if you want to attach a vertical grip or sighting assembly, you can do that. The barrel is a lightweight contour. It's a 16-inch barrel, comes with a mid-length gas system. It's chambered in 5.56 NATO with 5-AR rifling and a twist and 8, so it'll accept the lightest bullet onto the heaviest bullet. It also has an Armonite finish, both interior and exterior, for wear resistance and also corrosion resistance. The barrel assembly is topped off with Smith & Wesson's proprietary flash suppressor. It also offers a mild degree of a muzzle brake. It's all topped off with the mag pull 30-round P-mag. This is the exact model Smith & Wesson rifle that I used to set a current world record speed shooting title with of 10 shots on 4 different targets at 1.59 of a second. So for more information on the Smith & Wesson M&P15T, please go to the Smith & Wesson website.